Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Today I am making this video to tell you about some connection about the Bluetooth speakers. So recently I am doing some research on all of this. So today we will discuss one by one about the connection of each of one. And before going into the details, I am just want to tell you that this one is a single speaker and 5 volt single speaker mono speaker. This one is 12 volt mono speaker, and this one is stereo speaker, 12 volt stereo speaker, and this one is mini subwoofer, and this one is proper subwoofer. And all the subwoofers and music systems are running with batteries. So there, uh, before going into the details, let me tell you one by one what is the purpose of this sound system. This one is 5 volt speaker, and that is good for a small room melodious song, uh, and you can carry it anywhere as it is a small size. And this one is 12 volt, but its sound quality is little bit better, so it is good for mid level room. And also a little bit bass is means bass is little bit better than that. And this one is stereo speaker, and this one is very loud. You can use it indoor and outdoor anywhere. And this one is mini subwoofer, uh, and its sound quality is very good. Other than that, and beat means bass is more bass, treble you can control with that, and also balance you can control. So sound quality is better than all this. When you play it with the lower tone, then also you will get more bass. And this one is proper subwoofer system, 2.1 channel, and here bass treble control is available. So this one you can say it almost works like a proper subwoofer with 12 volt output. Now we will discuss one by one about the connections, what component I have used, and all the component is available in online, so you can purchase it from online. I will provide the link in the description. So if you have any comment or any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to provide the answer. And if you like the video, please subscribe and like my video.
Let's start with a small one. It is a 5 volt Bluetooth speaker, and here I have used one single speaker, 3 watt 4 ohm, and you can see here I have used the PAM 8403. So the here I have used PAM 8403 as a bridge mode. So how I have connected the speaker. I have connected two positive and two negative of speaker output with a 2 ohm maximum 4 ohm resistor you can use, and I have connected both end of that speaker, means of the resistor, and connected to the positive and negative of the speaker. It is a simple connection. And here I just want to mention that as uh, it is a 5 watt output, it can provide 3 watt output in the both side, total 6 watt output. But as you are using resistance, it will reduce a little bit, uh, wattage will be reduced little bit. So 3 watt speaker is good for that, enough, and you will get small beat, and also you will get the clear sound. And in the full volume also, the speaker will not, the sound will not be distorted. That is a important thing. Discuss about the 12 volt mono speaker. Here I have used one 18 watt uh, mono amplifier instead of stereo, because I have checked with PAM 8610 in the bridge mode. The sound quality is not good, So I have used the mono amplifier to use to run one single speaker, and I have used 10 watt 4 ohm speaker. You know that amplifier will get great output at the time of when you are playing sound maximum of 70 to 80%. So 70% of 18 watt, it will be like 12 watt or 13 watt, like that. So 10 watt speaker, if you use 10 watt speaker, it will good and it will provide you the good output. So also in full volume, means in the 70 or 80% volume, the sound will not be distorted. So that is important. And here, to reduce noise, I have used B0505S 1 watt, that will be used to isolate voltage. Means we know that whenever we connect the Bluetooth module and amplifier in the same input, means same power supply, then we will get some noise for ground loop. So to reduce that one, I have used that isolation module, that it will just supply change the supply voltage, and there is no ground loop, so you will not get any noise. And here I have used one step up module to uh, increase the means constant supply of 12 volt or 13 volt. So whenever I am using battery, uh, so it will reduce the voltage. Maybe it can go up to 10 volt, but to get 12 volt input constantly, I have used that module, and it is a 5 amp output. It can provide up to 5 amp ampere. So minimum at least 3 amp step up module should be used. And remember, for good sound quality, a good power supply is also required, so that is very important. And you can see the connection, it is a simple connection. And uh, with 7805, I have reduced the voltage from 12 volt to 5 volt. And before using that step up module, always remember, first check with multimeter the output voltage, and make it 12 or 13 volt, whatever is applicable for that amplifier, then use it. So next we will discuss the next module. In the 12 volt stereo speaker, you can see I have used 8610. It is a simple connection like the previous one. And instead of using the mono, I have used uh, 8610 stereo amplifier. And I controlled the output voltage of that uh, step up module to 12 volt. Maximum you can provide 13 volt, and it will provide you the good output. And here I have used 10 watt 4 ohm speaker. So this module can operate up to 15 watt speaker if it is a 4 ohm, and it can also if it is 8 ohm, then it can play up to 10 watt. So here I have taken 10 watt 4 ohm, and it is providing good output. And also it is not the sound is not distorted. So you can see the connection. And each and every module means system, I have used that voltage isolation module. Here I will discuss about our mini subwoofer system. Actually, it is not a subwoofer system, as I said, but uh, its quality sound output is like a subwoofer. So what I do here, I have used PAM 8610 to run the woofer and the speaker. You can see here I have used 10 watt 4 ohm 2 speaker in series mode and connected to one port, because it can run up to 8 ohm 10 watt speaker, so it will work properly. And also in other side I have used one woofer with 15 watt 4 ohm, and I have used one pod to control the balance of the woofer and the speaker. By that way you can set the output of the woofer. When you run one song, the woofer output, the loudness will be less and the bass will be better in that woofer. So you can control with that pod to get the bass little bit better than speaker. And here I have used two voltage isolation module, one for the Bluetooth as usual, and here I have used another voltage isolator, that is B1212S, that is 12 volt isolation. So I have provided one output to PAM 8610, and with voltage isolator I have used the voltage to base treble circuit. So here I have uh, provided means filtered with bass treble circuit to control the bass and treble. So whenever you run one woofer and you increase the bass, then what will happen? If you increase the bass, uh, the output of that woofer will increase, and with that potentiometer you can control the bass. So that way its output is very good. It looks like if you run one this speaker, it other people will think that one subwoofer is running. And with that you can also control the treble. So whenever you need more voice or some uh, old song you are playing, so you, with control of bass treble, you can get the proper output whatever you want. So it is a long range you can control of different sounds. That is why it is a good choice, and it is little bit cheaper than in subwoofer system. Let's discuss the next system. This one is a proper subwoofer, means 2.1 system, and here you have to run this output means amplifier with 24 volt maximum. So I have used here 22 volt with that step up module. And here you need to understand that whenever you are providing the input of that module, step up module, at least 3 amp or more, it will be better if you can use 5 amp input. So for battery I have used 3C battery. Always remember, whenever you are using with battery, check the battery specification. The discharging should be 3C, so you will get proper output. Otherwise, without proper power supply, you will not get great output. And here this module is little bit costly, but you can run this module with direct 12 volt, and output of this module is also good. So here the 250-watt speaker it can handle, and 100-watt subwoofer it can handle. So I have used 70-watt speaker in the both left and right channel, and I did not found any 100-watt woofer online. So I have used 120-watt 4 ohms woofer. The output is very good, is that. And when I increase the bass full, then I am getting some distortion, but as it is little bit lower side, the wattage is in lower side, but in 70% volume, and you can say if I reduce the bus little bit, it will provide good sound. And voltage isolator is also required to connect the Bluetooth module. So this is a simple connection, but the output is great. So that is the connection of that speaker, all the speaker. So if you have any question in that, you can ask me, or comment in that section. I will try to answer all this. So that's all for now. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and we will see you in next video. Bye bye for now.